The evolution of Citrix certification, trends and predictions for the next decade. In the ever-evolving world of technology and IT, certifications play a crucial role in advancing one's career and expertise. Citrix Certification, a brief overview. Citrix Certification is a renowned program that validates a professional's skills in Citrix technologies and solutions. Trends in Citrix certification. The future of Citrix certification looks promising, with a growing emphasis on specialized skills and qualifications. As technology continues to advance, professionals need to stay ahead of the curve by obtaining the latest certifications. Predictions for the next decade. Professionals will need to enhance their expertise in these areas to remain competitive in the job market. Expertise and skills development. Citrix certification offers professionals the opportunity to develop their expertise in specific areas of technology. By acquiring in-depth knowledge through certification programs, individuals can increase their value in the workforce and become sought-after specialists. Conclusion. In conclusion, the evolution of Citrix certification has been shaped by the ever-changing landscape of technology,